Hello guys, so today I'm gonna teach you how to increase your Google Play games level with Level XP Booster. So the first thing first, you're supposed to download the application on apkpure.com. So the keyword is Level XP Booster APK. Then you can search them and download them from apkpure.com. Here's the application. You can use it from download it from here or maybe from Google Play Games. So let's try it first. After you install it, you can open it and then move to the application itself. So this is the easiest way because you only need to click and click and click. First, we're supposed to sign in our Google Play account, and he's going to connect it to on your profile. Accept. So, okay, this is our Google Play Games account already connected to the system game. So I think we're just supposed to click in here and click until we got a see we earn 2000 EXP, and of course with a lot of ads. So yeah, we're supposed to support the ads. And now let's check our Google Play Games profile. So click our profile picture in here, and so this is the history of our XP. So this is the 300 click and we got a 3000 EXP. Click next, and so the ads is coming. Then keep clicking if you want more EXP for your account. And yeah, so thanks for watching. You can check the link description below for the link. You just can click that link, download the level EXP. So yeah, this is the easiest way, and I will post another videos if you guys want to see another XP booster for your Google Play account. So yeah, you can check your XP and your profile, and this is the history of your XP here. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned on your channel. Don't forget to subscribe. If you hate this video, you can dislike it, or maybe you can report it. Or if you like it, if you need it, you can share it and like. Thanks for coming. I'm Iza. Bye bye.